Welcome back, everyone, for another deep dive. We love to dig into these fascinating corners of the data world.
Yeah, those hidden gems.
And today we're tackling one that you specifically requested.
Oh, nice.
We're going to demystify a function from Excel's Power Query.
All right.
Now, it might sound a little intimidating at first, but trust me, it's surprisingly useful.
I like those.
So first things first, for anyone who might be new to this whole thing.
Yeah.
Power Query is this incredible tool inside Excel. It lets you connect to and transform data from all sorts of places, like databases, websites, you name it.
Pretty much.
But today we're focusing on one specific function, Logical.ToText.
Okay.
And I got to be honest.
What's that?
When I first saw this one, I thought, okay, this seems pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
You have a true-false value and you turn it into text. Like, what's the big deal?
Right. You're just changing how it looks.
Exactly. So what's the catch? Why does this even matter?
So it's all about bridging that gap between logic and language. In data analysis, even simple conversions can have a big impact.
Interesting.
You see, the real power of this function is its ability to connect those true-false values to actual text, which opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
So it's like translating between two different data languages then?
Exactly, you got it. Imagine you have a spreadsheet with a column that tells you whether a customer is active or inactive.
Okay.
True or false, right?
Yeah.
With Logical.ToText, you can transform those values into active and inactive text strings.
Oh, I see where this is going. So suddenly you can sort and filter and even use those text values in other formulas or visualizations.
You got it.
This is making a lot more sense now.
Good.
So walk me through this. How does the syntax work?
Okay, so the input for the function is called logical value.
Logical value.
Which, as you can guess, has to be either true, false, or null.
Okay, and null basically means no value.
Exactly. And then what you get out of it is the text true, false, or a null, depending on what you put in.
Yeah. So it does exactly what it says on the tin.
Pretty much.
But the real magic happens when you combine it with other functions.
Right?
Now you're getting it.
Like how?
So let's say you're working with customer data.
Okay.
And you want to categorize them based on whether they're active or not. You could use Logical.ToText to convert that true, false, active column into text labels.
Right.
And then you could use those labels in an if statement to apply different discounts or promotions.
Oh, that's really clever.
Right.
So you're not just converting the values to make them easier to read.
No.
You're actually using them to make decisions in your spreadsheet.
Exactly.
That's amazing.
And that's just one example.
Right.
You can get even more advanced and use Logical.ToText within a custom Power Query function to clean up data from different sources.
So this one little function is a gateway to some really powerful stuff.
It is.
I'm really starting to appreciate it now.
Good.
Now, for our listener who specifically asked about Logical.ToText,
I hope this deep dive gave you some ideas about how you can use it in your own work.
I hope so.
And for everyone else listening, I have a challenge for you.
Ooh, a challenge.
Think about those tasks in Excel that feel a little bit clunky or manual.
Okay.
Good Logical.Text, or even just a simple data type conversion, make your workflow smoother.
I like it.
You might be surprised by what you discover.
It's worth exploring for sure.
Well, I know I'm definitely going to be looking at this function in a whole new light.
Me too.
And to all our listeners out there, stay tuned because we have a whole bunch of exciting deep dives coming up.
Yeah.
To help you unlock even more hidden potential in your data.
Can't wait.
We'll see you next time.
See you later.